Hi everybody. What are higher order thinking skills? What can I do as a parent to develop these skills? Traditionally, when we think about education, we often focus on basic skills such as learning math equations or how to read. These skills are important tools and it is good for students to memorize certain types of information. For example, a classic poem or the multiplication tables. However, a well-rounded education must challenge students beyond rote memorization. For many people in the world, information is readily available through computers and smartphones. In this environment, what will set a person apart in the community and on the job is his or her ability to use tools like computers or books to gather and evaluate the information, make reasoned decisions, and come up with creative solutions. These higher order thinking skills require students to be active thinkers engaged in the learning process, not passive listeners who are only focused on the end result or memorizing the correct answer. True learning comes through trial and error and applying basic principles to different contexts. There are many ways you as a parent can encourage your child to develop higher order thinking skills. Ask open-ended questions and provide opportunities for problem solving and reflection. Firstly, propose a simple problem to your child. For example, what makes paper airplane? Let the child create, test and modify his or her airplane. Discuss what changes help the airplane fly longer or further than other models. Secondly, reading provides excellent opportunities to exercise higher order thinking. During a read aloud with your child, periodically stop and ask your child to use clues from the words or pictures to predict what will happen next. Discuss the story with your child. What was his or favorite part of the story? Favorite character and why? What was the conflict in the story and how was it resolved? Thirdly, writing also provides an opportunity for children to explain information in their own words and to reflect on their thoughts and views. Your child's writing can provide great insight into your child's interests, hopes and fears. Fourthly, creative play is a valuable tool to strengthen a child's understanding of a topic and to express their knowledge in a familiar context. Allow your child to pretend play. Put together a short skit or create artwork. For example, set up a pretend school with stuffed animals and or toys. Pretending to be the teacher, encourage your child to explain what he or she learned that day. And finally, another simple activity is to compare and contrast different objects. What do these things have in common? What's different about them? This simple activity requires the student to analyze different properties of two objects and evaluate them. Let's join together. Thank you.